Okay, so the goal of this is just to set up a play blast, and for some reason my play blast started to work, so I'm just going to go with it. All right, I don't know what's going on with QuickTime and Maya, no idea. Anyway, bye-bye to that. So here's my bowl, okay, and what I did is I did something here that's important. So as you can see right now, this is the view, okay? Basically, it is only panel orthographic front view. That's where I'm in right now. Second, I put on my film gate here, okay? Film gate's on, resolution gate, film gate, right there. I also added something over here which says frame number, so how many frames I'm working, right? So I believe it's under, is it display, heads up display somewhere? Yeah, heads up display, current frame. Come on, slow down here. There it is, current frame. So if you do that, you can say, I can say to you guys at frame 68, I'd like you to do the following. So this is not an accurate ball bounce, it's just a ball bounce. You are learning to place keys in Maya where the perpetual becomes now losing energy. It's no longer perpetual, it's a bunch of bounces. I think something like 6 or 7 bounces. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bounces, okay? They're relatively even timed, so it's not that great because I didn't use a reference. The other thing that's important here for us to remember, there's this incline. There's this incline here, okay? That little incline, so it starts here. Each time it bounces, it gets lower and lower and lower, okay? And that would come with references and so forth. So right now, we're not technical, we're just using it, okay? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna go Play Blast, and on the Mac, I have AV Photo from window, okay? This is my window, and I'm gonna hope this works, okay? I'm gonna press B, apply, let's hope for the best. All right, please work. Yes, all right, cool. And now it's not even framed properly here. It's off, losing the headroom. So I need to redo this one, okay? So what I'll do right now, and I'll go to the first frame where it's the highest point, and I'm just gonna bring this down a bit like that. So there's more headroom, okay? So what I did here is I went right click. I'm gonna click away from the ball so the ball's not selected. Like this is basically here. A couple other things I'll even add for you guys right now. Let's show, see Play Blast here? Play Blast, if you click on this, you kind of pull away this tab. And these are my settings. Polygons, so if I put everything, like I don't need any FX, so turned off, rigging is off. So when I run a Play Blast, I don't need a million things on, okay? I like if I had the blue pencil on, their version of, the original version of grease pencils from here, okay? So I could do that. So right click again, let's go Play Blast. This time I'll call this C, okay, with the proper headroom. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, there's probably other problems. So we'll see. Just going through it frame by frame, and it's rendering it, and it's a little better now. So yeah, there's a bit more headroom here. Oh, that's correct. Okay, so if I press play, that's all it is, okay? So every time you improve your animation, you have a Play Blast, and you name what the function is. Hello. All right, so I'm gonna stop the recording. Thank you. Balian out.